Okay, time to practice with all three rules put together. So stop the video right now, answer those questions, and then come back and play the video to check your answer. There's one more below. I'll show it to you in a sec. So answer comes in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So the first one, we have x to the power of 2 and x to the power of 4. I'm going to say that that's x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 5. And x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 5, it's just, I'm going to have 6 minus 5, it's 1. I don't actually write x to the power of 1, that's redundant. So I only have one x left on top. That's our final answer. Going for B, 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. That's really 3 to the power of 6. And then I multiply by 3 to the power of 5. Okay, 6 and plus 5, it's 3 to the 11. And there it is. Oh, that looks not very nice. 3 to the power of 11. Now, that's simplifying it. If I wanted to evaluate it, now I had to go back and say 3 to the power of 11 on my calculator. And that would give me a very large number. The last question, I've got the 2 to the power of 5. Now, 2 to the power of 5 is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 3 is 32. So that gives me 32. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take care of the numbers first. And then I'm going to take care of the a's. I really like doing that, breaking things up. So at the bottom is just 4. And 32 divided by 4 is just 8. So that's my number. So I broke this up into two questions, the number question and the a question. Next, a to the power of 5 to the power of, to the power 2 to the power of 5, that's a to the power of 10. And at the bottom I have a to the power of 6. So now a to the power of 10 divided by a to the power of 6, I need to subtract the exponents, and that means a to the power of 4. Final answer. This thing about breaking up into parts, I really like to do it that way. It makes things a lot easier. So for the next question, I suggest you do that too. Here's a bigger question for you to answer. Stop the video right now, answer the question, and then check the answer, which is coming now in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to take care of the numbers first. This is 3 to the power of 2. This is just 9. And then it's 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5, which is this, so it's 32. And then it's divided by 16. I'm going to finish this. I'm going to finish the number part. So I realized that I can multiply 9 times 32, but it's easier if I divide it first. So 32 divided by 16 is 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Good. I'm going to now take care of the a's. So a to the power of 4 to the power of 2 is a to the power of 8. A to the power of 3 to the power of 15 is to the power of 5. It's a to the power of 15. And below I have a to the power of 10. Okay, so now I'm going to divide again first. So 15 minus 10 is 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. So the a part of the question is just a to the power of 13. So as you can see, I don't look at this as one big question. I look at it as 3 little questions kind of put together. So now I'm going to take care of the b question. So b to the power of 1 to the power of 2 is just b squared. B to the power of 5 to the power of 5, it's b to the 25. And below, it's just b to the power of 5. So 25 minus 5 is 20, and the 2 is b to the power of 22. I really want you to see this as saying like, okay, that looked like a really big, intimidating question, but really when I break it down into little parts, this is not that challenging, or not nearly as intimidating as it looked at the beginning.